Welcome to Owlet Music Studio. Our Composer Corner video for today is Natures by Peter. Peter wanted to describe nature and trees, so in the beginning of his piece he does something a little bit unique, which is a solo piano line. That's not something you frequently get in piano pieces where you don't have any harmony at all. But then in the next phrase he adds in this fantastic counterpoint. It is so beautiful. I think Peter did a wonderful job on this piece, and I hope you enjoy Natures by Peter.